So I keep the Delsym cough in my medicine cabinet in case someone has a cough that is keeping them up at night. What this product does is it suppresses the cough so that you can sleep. So they tell you it's a 12-hour formula. This one tastes like orange. It's kind of a small bottle, but the cup is pretty small too, so it'll still last you a while. And if you're just looking for the cough suppressant and not, you know, sometimes you'll get cold medicine and it has a whole bunch of different medications in it. If you're just basically looking for the cough suppressant, this is what you're gonna want.